Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribe. I'm Arun Kumar. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick information. But before that, please like and subscribe to my channel. As you know that I will be giving the truth information and fact information which I know. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the famous personality. He's none other than Sahir Ali Bagga. Sahir Ali Bagga is one of the most famous and familiar singer in all around the world, and he belongs to Pakistan, our neighboring country. As we are Indian, as you know that we also listen the songs of Sahir Ali Bagga. For example, this song. Matenu samjhava ki. This song was also sung by Sahir Ali Bagga. But before going to the topic, the main topic is that, as you know that in 2019, Sahir Ali Bagga was released a song. Pakistani army had officially released a song of Pakistan Zindabad. As you know that March 23rd is known to be Pakistan Army Day. So Sahir Ali Bagga sir had performed it on before March 23 and a cricket stadium in Pakistan. As we know that the song was a super hit. It's a hit song, and my experience with the song is I had sung the song in Instagram and posted it on my story, and I mentioned Sahir Ali Bagga sir, and Sahir Ali Bagga sir had watched it, and he put my song in his story, and he mentioned me in his story that I feel it's my pleasure and it's a honor to me because Sahir Ali Bagga sir is one of the top singer in all around the world, and he's also one of the topmost singer in Pakistan. There are many recent hit songs of Sahir Ali Bagga sir. So I would request all to please subscribe to his channel. As you know that I'm not mentioning any link in my description because as you know that there are copyright issues. So I don't want to mention links as he's big YouTuber and he recently had taken golden plate from YouTube also. Uh, the only thing I wanted to say that even though we are in different countries, Sahir Ali Bagga sir had saw my story and where I mentioned him, and he had put my song in his story. He mentioned me in his story, so it's a pleasure to me. It's a honor to me in my life. It's the first time happened in my life that I always remember Sahir Ali Bagga sir because of the beautiful moment. He made my day beautiful. So if you want to watch it, then please follow me on Instagram also, Arun underscore singer 2000, and I will be giving this link in the description. But I wanted to say that even though we are in different countries, Sahir Ali Bagga sir is one of the kind-hearted person I ever seen. So I would recommend, please, if you want more information about Sahir Ali Bagga sir, I will do research and I will be informing you more about Sahir Ali Bagga sir. So you please be connecting with me so that I will be you can gain information about Sahir Ali Bagga sir and many singers and international affairs and Indian affairs. As you know that Sahir Ali Bagga sir is one of the topmost Pakistani singer. He will be singing many songs and he will be releasing most of the songs in his YouTube official channel. Sahir Ali Bagga sir has an official YouTube channel. In the channel, he will be releasing his songs. So I would recommend you must and should watch all the songs of Sahir Ali Bagga sir. As we can understand, as Hindi and Urdu are the languages which are 99% almost equal. There are few words and literature will be different. We can't read Urdu, but we can understand Urdu. We can speak Urdu. We can understand Urdu, and even though if the person is speaking Urdu, it seems to us that he is speaking in Hindi because Hindi and Urdu are almost equal. But once again, through this video, I would like to thank Sahir Ali Bagga sir because you made me it it is one of the most beautiful moment in my life. I don't know what to say that it is one of the most beautiful moment in my life that you had mentioned me in your story. Even though I had sung this song, the Pakistan Zindabad song, I had sung only few lyrics of this song, but you mentioned me as I mentioned you in my story. Then you saw it and you mentioned me. I thankful to you, sir. It is grateful to me. It's a honor to me, sir. I love you, Sahir Ali Bagga. So I wanted to my conclusion in this video is that even though we are neighboring countries, even though we'll be fighting at borders, but I wanted to say that we mustn't should spread peace and we mustn't should spread love to each other so that peace will be increasing the all over the world and everyone we can lead a happy life. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more information regarding Sahir Ali Bagga sir, definitely I will be uploading more information regarding the famous personality. So please be connected with me, like and subscribe to my channel. But before that, please follow precautions. As you know that in this pandemic situation, we must and should follow precautions. Please like and subscribe to my channel. But stay safe, stay home. Also, as I said that I sang that Pakistani army official song today, and I mentioned Sahir Ali Bagga sir in my story, and he saw it, and he also mentioned me in his story. So it's a honor to me. As you know that Sahir Ali Bagga sir is one of the most famous personality in all over the world in Pakistan, not only in Pakistan and India. He's famous all around the world. So even though he had much fame, but he's still down to earth. He's still down to earth. So I love till now. It is one of the best moment in my life. So always thankful to Sahir Ali Bagga sir. I love you, Sahir Ali Bagga sir. I will be thankful to you forever throughout my life, and I will be remembering this moment through my life. As today it's June 8th, I will be might be uploading video tomorrow. It's June 9th, but I will be remembering you, sir. I love you, sir. Sahir Ali Bagga sir. I long live India, long live Pakistan, and long live Sahir Ali Bagga sir. I love you a lot. And if you want more information regarding Sahir Ali Bagga sir, I will be updating with you. So please be connecting with me so that you can get more information about this famous personality and kind-hearted people and international efforts and Indian efforts and South Asian efforts. And I will be uploading more videos regarding the education system also, regarding university, regarding public and private universities. So I hope you gain little bit knowledge through this video. It's a quick information about my experience today. The experience I gained today. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please stay safe and stay home. And until then, take care, stay safe and stay home. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So you must follow precautions as we are in this pandemic situation. As the good news is that the cases are decreasing in India. For 10 days back, we used to watch 4 lakh per day, or 3 lakh per day, or 2 lakh per day, or 1 lakh cases per day. But today there are 80,000, 90,000 cases. Soon it may decrease also till 50,000 or 10,000. We hope everything should be good. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be informing more information to you, and I'll uploading more current affairs regarding international affairs and Indian affairs. So please be connecting with me. Until then, stay safe, stay home. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay home. Once again, stay safe and stay home. Please follow precautions. Last and final, it's, as you know, Jai Hind. But before that, love you, Sahir Ali Bagga sir. Long live India, long live Pakistan, long live Sahir Ali Bagga sir. Jai Hind.